back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making mango lassi, and it's one of those things that you just wanted in the summer because the mangoes are fresh and you just want to eat as many mangoes as possible because they're not going to be coming around, you know, in the rest of the year. Especially now that Pakistani mangoes are available like in the US, it's like a dream, like, you know, just to have these every day. And today I'm going to be using fresh mangoes, and I'm going to show you how to make and there's a little twist in it. I'm going to put actually fresh frozen mangoes in there to just give you, like, you know, the crunch or the chunkiness of like the actual mango taste of it. So let's get going with that, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Alright guys, here are the ingredients that we're going to be using to make the mango lassi. I have one whole mango. I peeled it and I took out the fruit from the seed, and that's what I have here. Then I also have half of a mango that I peeled the skin off, like I took the skin off and I cubed it and I froze it. This is frozen mango, but it's fresh frozen mango. It's not the packaged one. So that's what I have. Then I have some roasted almonds for garnish. I have 3/4 of a cup of whole milk. I have 1 cup of yogurt. I have some ice and honey if it's needed, if the mango is not sweet enough, but I think we're not going to be using that. So let's get on to the recipe, and I will show you how to put this together. It's very easy. So I have my blender out, and I'm going to be putting in the mangoes in there, and I'm going to put the mango in. I'm going to put the yogurt in. You have to put everything in there. It's just going to... And I'm using specifically mangoes from Haiti. They taste very similar to Pakistani mangoes. I put milk in there. I'm going to put the ice. And I'm going to see if I need some water. If it's too thick, then I'll put a little bit of water, but I don't think that's going to be necessary. And we're going to give it a go. Good. Let me just taste it to see if I need to put any honey in it. Yeah, a little bit of honey, I guess. And also at this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the fresh frozen mangoes in there. It will give a little bit of crunch. And I'm going to let me pour it in a glass for you. I have this.
Totally.
I'm going to sprinkle some roasted almonds on top. Toasted almonds on top. Alright guys, we're back. So now I poured it in a glass to taste test it. And I have a very special taste tester here. My son. He's going to taste it for us all and tell us how mommy did. Let's go, Bubby. Go ahead.
Good.
It's good. Just good?
No, I mean excellent.
Well, that's what sons are for. You know, mommy's going to taste it and let you know. Let's see how it is.
Again? You love it? That's why I think so many tips.
It was really good. So here you have it, guys. It's just a very simple, straightforward recipe of mango lassi. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Give it a try, and if you guys do, please tag me on it. Like, you know, let me know how it turns out for you. And please like my page, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. What do you want to say? Subscribe?
Click on the button down below and subscribe.
And thumbs up? Alright guys, bye bye.